Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In this video guys, I'm going to work in my bedroom. As you can see, I have this adjustable bed that I get from Flexispot. Guys, this bed is phenomenal. It's a platform, it's a base bed. It's adjustable. You can put it high, low, and you can lift your leg, your back. It's very good to have, guys. As you can see, all the parts that come with it, you can adjust the height, and as you wish, you can keep your existing bed, or you can use it as is. And guys, inside the box come with a manual instruction, as you can see, and have all the tools that you need. You don't need to buy nothing else. And guys, as you can see, those are the legs. You can just put the bed up or down as you wish. Guys, it's very good to have, and it's easy to put together. As you can see, my son is helping me. Very convenient. That's the legs, and those are adjustable. You can make it low, high, as I mentioned before. Guys, this is very good. As you can see, the remote control. Guys, if you haven't tried ergonomic bed, this one is the first one to start, is the best one. It helps me so much with my leg pain, my back pain. Guys, you see, you can put the leg up if you want. That will help so much with circulation. If you want, if your leg is swelling, this will help you so much. You can put the head up just like to adjust if you want to read or anything. Guys, it will alleviate the pain in your back, your neck, and everything. Guys, it's very good to have, and the price is ridiculous for what you're getting. The link will be in the description box down below, guys. If you want something like that, make sure to check the box. And there's another thing that I love about the bed is has a light on. You can turn it on, and oh my goodness, my bed is a platform. You can really see that with my bed, but if you're not using the bed, it's phenomenal. As you can see, you can lay it flat as you wish, and you can press the reading button, the sleeping button. You have all the things that you need just to make the bed very functional. As you can see, the light that I was talking about earlier, but the platform of my bed, the shape of my bed, just hitting the light. So if you're not using a bed like mine, this is a good option to have. Okay guys, let's go back to the video and keep on watching. Guys, I got this wall art from Was. If you have a local Was, don't miss on them because they really nice. This was on clearance. I pay only $25. Guys, don't miss on your local Was. Make sure to check them whenever you have the time. Today I'm going to use this lamp that I get from Amazon. All the link will be in the description box down below, guys, if you want to recreate the look or if something that you like. I wanted something very organic looking, not too dramatic, but very luxuriously at the same time. And this lamp is good because I love the organic feeling of it, the way the color, the pattern. I like it so much. So this one would be perfect in my bedroom. The thing that I like about this lamp, it comes with the light bulb. You don't have to buy nothing else. It's very nice of them to just add it in it.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below, what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Guys, as I mentioned, you don't need a lot of money to make your home look luxury. That's why I always like to come home, because my home is my sanctuary. That's why I have so many fun. It's so nice to be at home, and it's so nice to keep your home very nice.
When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Guys, I get this rug from Amazon. You need it. I'm so in love with this rug because as you can see, it's like you're walking on cloud. Very nice. And I love white. If you don't like white, or you can choose other colors, but me, I love white. It looks so pure, so beautiful. Yes, I have children, but this is my bedroom. I love to keep my bedroom super nice and cozy. I love white. I love everything about white, guys. It looks so clean. And at night time, my nightly routine, I just remove my pillows. I sleep only on the 2 white one in the back, and the rest I just put them away for the next day. And guys, you can sleep on your pillow if you want, so it's totally optional. But me, I don't sleep on it. I just sleep on the white ones, and it's as simple as good morning. Just lay down, do my reading, and watch couple music videos, and I'll skip everything, not my nightly reading, because keep my brain sharp.
Gonna be alright, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. Oh.
This bed helped me so much with my back problem. You can sit very comfortable in the bed, as you can see, and you can put your leg up if you want. It will help with circulation. As you can see, I put my leg up. It's super convenient, and the bed is beautiful. I love my bedroom, guys. After work, it's a good place for me to just relax, relieve all my stress in my neck, my back, and everything. And after doing my reading, just put the head of the bed down, put the leg down nicely. As you can see how smooth it's going down, and you can see that by the comforter going down. It's super nice. I love it, guys, and it helped me so much when I wake up in the morning. I'm so ready to knock down the day, just like very nice, and then voila, I just go to sleep peacefully. I love the bed. I love my bedroom. I love everything, guys. The link of everything will be in the description box down below. If anything that you want, just make sure to check the link and you won't regret it. As you can see, the table that come with the bed, you can put it up or down, but the way my bedroom is, I cannot put it in the side of my bed, but I sit there to do my reading during day. If I'm doing something, it's super nice. You can put it up if you want, you can put it down if you want. So super nice. Make my bedroom very functional, very nice. Like, guys, you need something like that. I can stress it enough. You know, guys, whenever I'm putting something in my channel, that's when it's good. I love my bedroom. Now, what do you think, guys? Just leave a comment down below. Let me know, what do you think?
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
If you made it this far to this video, thank you so much. I'll wait till some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you are not new and haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all, and keep on watching. Guys, I like this notebook. That's how I plan my day, and I always have them by my bedside before I do anything. I just do my prayer and then just write my planner for the day. And you can choose to put designer book, but me, that's my life. That's the way I plan my life every day. And guys, as you can see, the bed very convenient, very nice, and I love it. So make sure to check the link in the description box down below. And if you plan on buying a rug like mine, you can just put a rug protector to help out, because that's what I do. And I show what I use, not in this video. I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. If you want rug protector, you can just buy it. That's what I do before I lay my rugs on the floor. And this box, I get it from the thrift store. Very nice. My two little white vases, I get them from TJ Maxx. They're very nice and they were like $12.99 each. And guys, I'm so in love with my bedroom. What do you think? So if you need flower like this, make sure to check Walmart because I get them, I think $4.99 each. Very, very beautiful, guys. And on my bedside table, as I mentioned before, I add my Bible and other things. So it's optional. You can add whatever you like. But me, that's what I like. It's very convenient for me at nighttime, in the morning, just to get in touch with the higher.
If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Okay guys, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.